Hi everybody. So this is the second time I'm making this video because when I looked at the previous video, the screen resolution was, for lack of a better word, garbage. So I'm going to try this again here. The screen resolution looks a little bit better now. So in order for us to use StatCrunch, especially when we're trying to calculate binomial probability distributions, we're going to come over here to StatCrunch, just click on it. Then we're going to open up the StatCrunch website. Open again, and you get this, which is just, it kind of looks like Excel, except this is specifically designed for stats, which makes it a lot more user-friendly. The question we're going to use is this question right here. So 39.5% of consumers believe that cash will be obsolete in the next 20 years. Assume that 6 consumers are randomly selected. Find the probability that fewer than 3 of these selected consumers believe that cash will be obsolete in the next 20 years. So the first thing we need to understand is, what exactly does fewer than 3 mean? So give me 1 second here. Should have been a little bit more prepared. I'm going to open up a Word document. And I'm just going to come over here. All right, so when we think about fewer than 3, okay? Well, fewer than 3 means the probability of finding a random variable of x equals 0 plus the probability that x equals 1 plus the probability that x equals 2. So that's fewer than 3. So what we need to do is we have 2 options. We can figure this out by hand by using that formula I gave you 3 different times, or you can use StatCrunch. So let's go ahead, let's use StatCrunch. So we know we need to find 0, 1, and 2. Now, StatCrunch is unbelievably easy and it's powerful, and it actually provides you with everything that you need, even a graph, which is awesome. So we come back here to StatCrunch. We go under Stat. We click on Calculators. Actually, you don't have to click on it. Just move your mouse down. And then go to the right, and you'll see the second option, which is Binomial. Now you're going to get this beautiful little chart. And what we're going to do down here is we're going to change all of our values. So n is going to equal 6. The probability of success is 0.396. And then we want the probability that x is less than 3. And when we click on compute, sorry, I hit 5 by accident. Probability that x is less than 3. When we click on compute, here we go. Here's our answer. In fact, was it 0.36 or 0.395? So let me fix that real fast, because that will get you a wrong answer. There we go. So here's a probability of selecting fewer than 3 people who think cash is going to be obsolete in the next 20 years. Round to 3 decimal places, 0.555. And also, I want you to kind of look at this graph real quick. So if you look at the graph that it provides us, 0, 1, and 2 are all highlighted red. That's because that's what you told StatCrunch to calculate. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and say, well, what if it was at most 3 people? Well, at most 3 means 0, 1, 2, and 3. So you would have to use less than or equal to. And notice now, this red line is actually filled in a little bit, okay? So make sure that when you're doing these problems, you just read carefully and try to internalize, what are they asking you? Fewer than 3, at most 3, at least 3, stuff like that. Okay? So I hope this helps. I hope you could see it better and everything now. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. You can even make like an appointment for Zoom. We can meet one-on-one, something like that. I just need to know. That's it. I just need to know how I can help. So I will see you, I guess, in the next video.